Sweet pea, apple of my eye. Don't know when and I don't know why. You're the only reason I keep on coming home. Sweet pea, what's all of this about? Don't get your way, all you do is fuss and pout. You're the only reason I keep on coming home. I'm like the rock of Gibraltar. I always seem to falter and the words just get in the way. Oh, I know I'm gonna crumble. I'm trying to stay humble, but I never think before I say. Sweet pea, keeper of my soul. I know sometimes I'm out of control. You're the only reason I keep on coming. You're the only reason I keep on coming. Yeah, you're the only reason I keep on coming home.
Happy birthday, Elise. You're 2 today. Got a kitty cat for you.
Happy birthday, Elise.
Happy birthday, Elise.
Happy birthday, baby Elise.
Birthday, Elise.
Birthday, Elise. Oh, there she goes.
Happy birthday, Elise. Happy birthday, Elise.
Happy birthday, Elise.
Meg?
Oh,